Welcome back to my scrappy space. We're going to continue on with the page prep for 30 days of sketches, and I know it's in a day or two, and time is trying to catch up with me. I spent my couple of days with my husband. He had a few days off, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to share them with my guy. So I did want to pop on and give you the rest of the page kits that I am going to use. Now this one is a little bit of a base page already, and these are from a kit that I previously made. I haven't done the layout yet, but I just wanted to share with you that I'm going to bring these stickers, these strips, whatever's left over, photo mats, and then I have these enamel dots, and then this is the paper. And I just did a quick and easy base page, so I'm not quite sure exactly what I'll be using, but I wanted to bring those over, and then here are a couple more papers to go with it. I think that'll be super cute to tie it all in. So I made a note, bring over from the first page kit, and then tree dies, and my tree dies are buried in the middle of some other projects. So I just wanted to make note. So that is going to be my first kit. Okay, sorry I was a little out of frame there. The next one that I have is, all right, Donna, right here. And there's going to be a little bit of glare because I have these dies. I have these butterflies that I created in another project, and I just had them in my vending machine cart. I'm going to set these to the side so that you don't have a lot of glare. And then these are the papers that I'm going to be using. They are very thin, but I'm going to be putting them on this pink. You're going to see very little of this pink. This pink doesn't look right now. I might have to get a darker piece or something else. But anyways, I am going to be using these three, and I don't think I'm going to be bringing in much more than the die set and the butterflies. So that's that kit. Alrighty, here's the next one. Here are the notes that I made for this page kit. I have floral dies, butterflies, and white and gold flecks. And remember, I have my little tray right here. So here's my white paint and my gold paint. And then here are the papers that I'm going to be using. I love this sweet little butterfly. And this one, and this one, and this one. And this one has gold on it, but I'm just going to use a little bit of it, and then I think it's going to be blessed with somebody else. So that one's super cute. Going to try to get some spring things in there with that. Here is my next kit. Okay, this one is super fun. I used pieces of this in an earlier kit as well. I pulled some white enamel dots. Here's a sticker sheet from Summer Farmhouse. Super adorable, so cute, I love it. And then I have this pink paper and this yellow paper and this adorable lemon with green. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited to be playing. This is so cute. And the back side is adorable as well. And it is super bright and wonderful. And oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I am so excited about this series, you guys. So excited. And just to note, I do have them printed already, so they'll be ready to go. This one is from a paper pad. Is it One Canoe 2? Yeah, I believe so. And I have never played with this paper, and I really want an opportunity to do so. So I've pulled those, and if I use anything, because this is pretty busy, and I already have some cut aparts and that type of thing, and if I do use anything, it'll probably be the gold color shine, but it's really interesting. This is part of the kit, and yet this has got silver on it as well. So that's interesting to me. So we'll see what I create with that one. And this is the last kit that I created on my own, okay? And I'll explain that in a second. And this one is gonna be super adorable. I mean, look at that paper. And I think this is a Becky Higgins, I don't know what she called it. And then this is an Adorn It. Oh, what's this? Stuck to the back. Huh, okay. Got a little spare flower there. And then I have this green. So this is what I'm going to be using. And then I went to my vending machine over here and I pulled some Floral. And then, sorry for the glare on that. And then I have these butterflies that I started to fussy cut last month. And you will see a layout of that in a minute. Here are some enamel dots to go with it as well. Okay, now I kind of cheated and I apologize, but I really try to utilize all of the product that I have in my room, but I do, like everybody else, I do buy product. And I just received my Hip Kit subscription. I purchased from them on International Scrapbook Day, and you probably saw my haul. Now, I have been watching this kit, and I have wanted it, and then I've put it in my cart, I've left it, I've come back to it. I have been fighting with myself for the last 3 months. And when I received my International Scrapbook product, I was in love. I am smitten. And so I went ahead and pulled the trigger and I subscribed to the Hit Kit Club, and I am so excited. So one of my things though is that I'm going to use my product. I am not going to hoard it. I am not going to hoard it. So I don't want to do 30 days and not play with my new product. So I'm bringing in 3 of my collections. This is the April kit, and oh, it is beyond adorable. Absolutely beyond adorable. This is the chipboard, and I love the chipboard because it's already punched out and it doesn't leave those little pieces on the side. I think that's why I don't like chipboard, and it's not as thick. So that is gorgeous. Here are some wooden buttons. These are the die cuts, gorgeous. Are the puffy alphas, wonderful. And then I will really quickly go through the paper, very quickly. This is a very light wood grain with a white floral. I don't know, can you guys see that? Can you see that? I don't know if the lighting is good. It's gorgeous. But I love this. And oh, you guys, I'm gonna ooh and ah over each piece, and I apologize. Little tags. Oh, look at that green. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. These blue florals. Some tone-on-tone chevron. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, but look at that piece of paper. See, I mean, you guys, look at this. Huh. I'm in love. I'm just literally in love with this kit. Fun. Yeah, love it. Sorry, I'm just enamored. So, I am using my product. Okay, this is gonna go on the wall of just wonderfulness forever because it's wonderful, just wonderful. I could use 83 sheets of that. No, but I wouldn't use it. So I am super excited to start playing with my kit. And I am gonna grab 2 more that I had purchased from them from International Scrapbook Day. This is something that I just purchased on my own. So just a sec. Okay, here's the ephemera bits, and I just prepackaged them, or repackaged them, excuse me. These are little journaling bits, like little pockets, and you can tuck things in there, and so that's those wonderfulness. Here are some more wooden buttons, wood veneer buttons. And this is some puffy stickers. Sorry. Now this particular kit is from 2021, and I don't know if it's made, but I will find out if you guys need to know or want to know. Here are some puffy alphas, and then this is some Pinkfresh that was in the kit. And I don't have very much Pinkfresh, but I am getting a little stash built up because my friend loves it. Miss Joanne. And she's the one that shared with me how wonderful Pinkfresh is. And the quality of this paper is phenomenal, you guys. Absolutely phenomenal. How cute. How cute. And I don't know what it is about this butterfly paper, but it's amazing. Oh. So much fun. So not only have I pulled from my stash, I am also utilizing some of my new product, and I think that'll be a perfect balance of the two. Woo! That'll be fun. It almost kind of has a vibe from Felicity Jane. So if you guys want to know what kit this came from, like May or April of 2021, let me know and I'll find out. I just don't know off the top of my head. And then last but not least, this is my May kit from this year. And these are fabric butterflies, and I need to dive in and find out a little bit more if I can color these or not. Like I said, I just got this, and I want to play with it. The die cuts, coffee and tea, this is going to go great. I'm going to do a layout with my Nana and me. She just came over for the Queen's birthday a couple months ago, and I can do that. Here's some wood veneer. These are gorgeous. Some more puffy alphas. And then here, sorry, this is all crookedy. Here is the paper. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? So pretty, pretty. And this is adorable font paper. Shouldn't say font paper, script paper. Oh, look at that ombre though. And these frames. That's fun. This is so sweet and pretty. So sweet and pretty. Some hexagons. Some light floral. Oh, but look at that ledger. So pretty. Some floral. Some pink dot. Some more butterflies. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's just so pretty. Some more floral. White with black dots. So cute. Oh, this will be fun. This will be so fun. And then this is just a geo design. Look at these colors. They're just unique and pretty. Love that floral. And then this pink. Okay, guys. So that is what I'm going to be using for my 30 days of sketches. I have my sticker books beside me. I have my washi pickup truck beside me. And so I'm going to be focusing on those two things. And then I will be putting them all in an iris container, and I will be doing a flip through at the end of, well, probably be about the middle of July when I'm all done, but I will be doing videos through to show you some of the layouts that I'm doing. I will probably do 1 through 8 every day, and then just because I have other commitments, I will be doing like 2 or 3 days and then 2 or 3 days all together. So I hope you guys are gonna play along. This is such a wonderful way to get in there and use your product and try some new sketches. I love trying these sketches. They are so fun. Some of them are very, very challenging to me, and they make me think outside of the box. So I hope you guys play along. Please check out Christy's Facebook group down below because everybody's getting ready to start. And then everybody that will be playing along, I will always have them listed. They are just amazing creators. I hope you guys have a super amazing day and you're out there making some memories. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.